Well, hey there, fellow realtor. It's Michael Krisa here, the executive editor with Agent Inner Circle from agentinnercircle.com, and I've got a question for you. What would your real estate practice be like if you got a steady stream of calls from people you've never met, and they already made that decision that you're somebody that they can know, like, and trust? Or better yet, you're at the mall doing grocery shopping and people are approaching you like you're some kind of celebrity. And it's the same thing. They say, hey, I've got a property to list, or I'm looking to buy, and you're the one I want to work with. Well, that's the power of video, and that's what I'll be sharing with you at your statewide event, the CRS event in San Diego at the Hyatt Hotel. It's all about video. And now before you say, Michael, oh, video's too hard, it's too expensive, I don't know what to do. Yeah, once upon a time, maybe. But if you've got a smartphone, if you have a tablet, if you've got a laptop, if you've got a webcam, I guarantee you, I can help you do the kinds of videos that people will actually want to watch and share. And like I said, position you as that celebrity authority. Now at the workshop, I'll be sharing with you my favorite apps. I'll be helping you get over the fear of doing video. I'll be showing you what to say. I'll be showing you the little bits and pieces of equipment that you may need, but it's not expensive. You already have what it takes, which is a smartphone. So at our workshop, we'll be doing all this together, and I guarantee you by the end of the session, lights, camera, action, we will be doing video together. So once again, it's going to be August 24th at your CRS event at the Hyatt. I look forward to seeing you there.